Hello students, last class we discussed about weathering, formation of rocks, how rocks were formed. Okay, so now we know that rocks just broken down into smaller pieces, and over thousands of years they formed soil. Today in this class we try to understand about soil profile. So profile is there, different profiles. What is soil profile? We just see about this. You see, what is soil profile? First I will write this. So a vertical section or just cutting. Okay, so a vertical section or just cutting through the soil, a vertical section or cutting through the soil. Okay, showing the different layers of soil, is called soil profile. Okay students, so when we just go inside the soil, you will see different layers are there, different layers, different particles, different sizes of rocks are there. So you will see different layers when we just go inside. That different layers are called as soil profile. Okay, so that's what we are reading. And what is there? Each layer means what layer we will get when we go inside. Each layer of soil is called a horizon. Okay, so layer we will consider here as horizon. We will understand that these are horizons. So what how many layers we just go inside, we will get that layers, we will say that horizons of the soil. So horizons are there, and these all horizons have different properties. That is important. Why we are reading about this different horizons of soil or layers of soil? Because when we just go inside and we try to understand this in detail, then we will understand that different horizons have different properties. So different qualities are there. We will discuss one by one about this. First of all, I just draw one diagram, through that you can understand easily. See, so these are the layers. Suppose first layer I have, okay, here this one is the topmost here. Okay, then first one on the top, it is called as O horizon. Okay student, this one is O horizon. First one there. Then second one, what we have, you see small pieces. This one is upper layer, just some of where you will just get only this starting from here. O horizon you will not get. So dark color, this one I just written here. Second one when you go, that is A horizon, and A horizon is also known as topsoil. A horizon is topsoil. Then when you go inside, one more layer you will get smaller, somewhat smaller, this size. See this kind of particles. This one is B horizon and also called as subsoil. Okay. And then you go further, you will see like this. This one is C horizon, that is also called as parent material. Okay, so it is also called as parent material, C horizon or parent material. And last one, this one is bedrock, student. Actually you just see here, this one is actually bedrock. So non-porous layer you will just understand like these layers. This one is non-porous layer. There are no pores in that, non-porous. Bigger size particles you will get. This one is R horizon. Bedrock. Okay. And plants actually grow in this region. You see this region is very important here. Different plants, small first I'll see like this. And large plants, large size plants, I just draw one large sized. See here like this. Maybe this one like this, a plant is there. Okay. So its roots just develop up to this layer like this. Some of the large plants just grow, their roots, long roots are there because large plants they need support, and to support this roots are long in that. Okay. So different reasons I have just made soil profile. This one is just soil profile showing different layers. In that we are showing different layers. So different layers we have. What we have? O horizon, A horizon, that is topsoil, B horizon, that is subsoil, C horizon, that is parent material, R horizon, that is bedrock. Actually student, water is just available here in this region because non-porous layer is there, that's why they cannot pass, and we get that groundwaters from that layer. Okay, so different layers we just understand now through this diagram. It is very simple, we will try to understand. So see, soil horizon, what is this? A layer of soil horizon, a layer of soil which sorry, this layer of soil with, say layer of soil with a specific, a layer of soil with a specific properties, with specific properties is called soil horizon. Okay, so simply we can say that a layer of soil with a specific property is called a soil horizon. Means different layers have different properties, different particles, different size of rocks are there, that's why. Okay, main soil horizons, one by one we will discuss about that. Main soil horizons, main soil horizons. First on the top, from the top we will go down. So first one what we have, O horizon. First one we have O horizon, at the top level it is present. So simply the write down the top layer of soil. This one is present at the top, O horizon at the top layer. Okay, what it contains? Mainly contains partially decomposed plants and animals. Okay, so at the top layer this one is O horizon is present, and actually plants and animals when they die and decompose partially, that is present in this layer, uppermost layer. You know humus is very important, we understand this humus, dark color substance that is important for growing plants. So this one is present at the top there, this humus is found there. Okay, and it is also present in, so this is the main the thing here, O horizon. Somewhere you will not get this O horizon directly, they will start from the A horizon. O horizon is considered inside that A horizon also, but in detail they are just printed like that. Now you see, after the O horizon we have second one, that is A horizon. Okay, that can be written as topsoil or A horizon. What is that? We try to understand. Topsoil, uppermost layer, yes, upper layer of soil. Simply we can write upper layer of soil. This one is upper layer of soil. Okay, then minerals and humus. Minerals and humus are present in this layer. Actually what happens, minerals and humus are present, that's why it is fertile. Okay, so minerals and humus are present. Plant roots, we are discussing about A horizon, that is topsoil. So plant roots grow in the topsoil. You have to remember this, these are the important qualities what I am writing. Then topsoil contains many living things. So many of the living organisms are also present here in this topsoil, in this region. Actually you know that small organisms, they just survive in this area, they get all the nutrients. Okay, they get all the nutrients and they can survive in this area. Plants also, This topsoil is the best suited soil for growing plants, so plants also grow. This is the most important part of the soil profile, topsoil. Okay, next we have topsoil, then subsoil. Next we have subsoil, and subsoil is also known as B horizons. This one is also known as B horizon. You see what is the function? Subsoil is the layer, actually just below it is present, so just subsoil is the layer just below topsoil. Actually it is just present below the topsoil. After that topsoil, subsoil is present. Okay, they are made up of slightly bigger rock particles than topsoil. So somewhat bigger rock particles are there in this region, subsoil region. Roots of large plants may reach this layer. Okay, so roots of large plant can reach up to this layer, B horizon that I have drawn, you see, but that is not good soil because it has very little humus, student. It has very little humus, and humus is important for growing plants, and it has very little humus. Hence what we can write, hence it is not suitable for plant growth. It is not suitable, plant is not growing in this region, this B horizon. Okay, so gradually when we just move down, obviously the particles, their size just increases, large particles are there, and they just turn small, and they are small size particles. Upper sections we have, I will show you when we discuss composition of soil, then I will tell you. Okay, subsoil, then last one we have. Okay, next we have subsoil. We studied parent material. Okay, last one we have. Next, parent we have parent material, student. Here you just see C horizon or parent materials. We can write this one, C horizons. This one, student, C horizon. What is here you see, weathered. This one is just weathered parental rocks are there, obviously, so that's why weathered rock fragments are present. Okay, so weathered rock fragments are present. Actually this is in the process. You see these particles are large in size, they are rock particles. They are in the process of breaking down. They just make these layers. Okay, so these A and B layers are made of this. That's why I just write weathered rock fragments are present actually. This one I will write in this layer. In this layer, rocks are still breaking. In this layer, rocks are still breaking down to form what they will form, this and this horizons. Okay, so to form a smaller particles. When these smaller particles will form, simply we can say these horizons, upper horizons also made of this. A and B horizons are made of this layer. That's why I have written this one finally, that A and B, this horizon is also made upon by this parent material. Okay, last one, see students, some of the important factors you just note down and remember, try to remember. These are the important factors, that different sizes of particles are there and humus and other things. According that we have divided different layers. These layers have a specific terms as horizons. These horizons, O horizon, A horizon, B horizon, C horizon, R horizon. So we have divided like that. Last one we have, bedrock. Okay, bedrock, and bedrock also known as R horizon. Bedrock is also this one you see here. Present below the C horizon, student, present below the C horizon, this bedrock is present. Made of solid unweathered rock. This one is not actually completely weathered rock, so we have written that solid unweathered rocks. They are still bigger size rock particles. That's why we say about this. Okay, it is non-porous layer. Actually water is just present in here. They cannot pass this because non-porous, so it is non-porous layer. Water will not pass and it will form water table. So it is non-porous layer which forms water table, student. Okay, so these are the different layers we studied today. What we studied, a nutshell, I just clarify this one, what I have written. Actually when you go deep inside the earth's surface, then you will see different layers of soil. According their properties, they are divided into different layers. In this way, when we divide these layers of soil, so these layers have given a specific name, that is horizons. Okay, so different horizons are there. When you go deep inside, different horizons are there. These horizons are O horizon, A horizon, B horizon, C horizon, R horizon. You see different, and their different properties are there. Plant best suited topsoil is best for growing plants, means in this region plants are growing. After that, rock particle sizes just increase and humus is not present. That is very important, and due to that, when wearing of topsoil, we know that in soil erosion this layer just wear off, and then downward layer is not suitable for growing plants. So these are the things what we have discussed. Next class we will discuss about composition of soil. Okay students.